Hi students, I am Subhamal. Today we are discussing about differentiation problems involving logarithmic differentiation. Previous year question, 4 marks this also. First one, differentiate with respect to x, x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. Now I take the first term as u and second term as v. So x power sin x and v is considered by here sin x power cos x, and our y becomes u plus v. Now we want to find dy by dx, so this can be written by dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. And then first term, I consider the first term u equal to x power sin x. Here itself power is complicated one. Okay, we are not seeing the formula involved x power sin x in differentiation, so we are taking log on both sides. So log u equal to sin x into log x. Then we take a apply differentiation for both sides. Differentiation of log u is nothing but what is that, 1 by u into du by dx sin x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and then leave log x, differentiate sin x, we get log cos x, log x cos x. First of all we leave sin x and then differentiate log x, so we get 1 by x, and then leave log x, differentiate sin x, so log x into cos x. Now take this u as cross multiplication. The value of u we already know that what is its value, x power sin x, so x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. And then we want to take next term, that is what, v, that is sin x power x. Then apply log on both sides. After applying log only we want to take differentiation, so log v equal to cos x into log of sin x. Take a differentiation for this one. For left side 1 by v into dv by dx, for right side cos x. Differentiation of log sin x. First we want to differentiate this term. Okay, but differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here x place is replaced by sin x, so 1 by sin x. And then differentiation of sin x is considered by cos x. So cos x, first I leave cos x and then I take a differentiation for log of sin x, that is 1 by sin x, and then take a differentiation of sin x. This is what, cos x. Afterwards I leave log of sin x and then I take a differentiation for cos x. So log of sin x into minus sin x. Then take LCM. That LCM is considered by here what, sin x. Okay, so cos x into cot x into cos x. Sorry ma, this cos by sin is considered by cot x into cos x minus log of sin x into sin x, and then take a v on that side. So this will become cross multiplication, so sin x power cos x. So dy by dx is equal to what ma, du by dx already we assign as du by dx plus dv by dx. So I apply the terms x power sin x minus 1 into sin x plus x into log x cos x plus sin x power cos x into cot x cos x minus sin x log sin x. Okay va, right, we apply the du by dx term and dv by dx term, that only ma. Here we are taking x as LCM. Okay va, so x into log x cos x, x power sin x minus 1, that can be replaced by here. Okay, this x is treated as LCM here, so x into log x cos x, and this x is going outside, so that becomes what, x power sin x minus 1. Then look next sum, y equal to log x power x plus x power cos x, then find dy by dx. Same manner, first consider first term as u and second term as v. So u equal to log x power x and v equal to x power cos x. So our y becomes u plus v, and then take a differentiation on both sides. So dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. And I consider the first term, that is u equal to log x power x, then log u, applying log on both sides. So log u equal to x into log of log x. Then take a differentiation of log u is 1 by u into du by dx. So x into, take differentiation on this one, log of log x. So the first term of differentiation is 1 by log x, and then take a differentiation of log x, we are getting here 1 by x, and next to leave log of log x, take a differentiation for x, we get 1, and then this x and this x are getting cancelled, so 1 by log x plus log of log x plus log of log x. Then the next steps become du by dx, that u is coming on this side, so log x power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. Then take log x as LCM. So after taking LCM, this log x is coming outside, so log x already here, log x having power x, here itself log x having power minus 1. So I assign log x the whole power x minus 1, this for x and this for minus 1, into 1 plus log x of log of log x. Okay, then I consider v equal to x power cos x, and then take a log on both sides. So log v equal to cos x into log of cos x. as usual 1 by v into dv by dx cos x, we'll leave cos x, differentiate log x 1 by x and then log x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, then dv by dx equal to x power cos x, take LCM cos x minus sin x into log x by x and then x power cos x minus 1, this x is going to this side, so x power cos x minus 1 into cos x minus x log x sin x, and then we arrange dy by dx, that is log x power x minus 1 into 1 plus log x of log of log x plus x power cos x minus 1 into cos x minus x into log x sin x. Okay, thank you students.